Halatang English or Tagalog ay parehas ng rap na dinidiscriminate ng ewan at mga nagpanggap. Hindi na nag-elevate ang mga bistado mong kara kasi yung bitawan ng mic at muling hawakan ng baraka. This is my Cosa, together with all amigo, nag-spread ng foreign sa kayang tumumba ng antigo. At kung sino ang dapat sumuntok sa pader sa panghihinayang makapasok dito sa aming poder.
Simula noon hanggang ngayon, karanas ko'y di nagbabago. Nahoyo sa sanguan, nakatampi na sa pinagmulan. Kapit mga kakosa, abutin natin ang tagumpay. Huwag nating kalimutan kung anong ating pinagmulan. Nagbabalik ako para sa mga kasama ko. Tirahin na ang titirahin, baka tirahin pa ng iba. Mabuti na ako nagsimula para si Hijack ay mawala. Pakinggan mo mga sinabi ko, isaksak mo sa utak mo.
Pati I'm here, I got the lyrical criminal, all of my enemy feel my run, you're critical. No one can treat me like beginner, motherfucker, murder me. No more chance, shit, no more fear. Everybody wanna ride with me, come with me. Fake and see, I'm ready to kill. Do you want my gunshot, do you feel me? I'm soldiers at war, it's world war from 1 to 2. No mercy to us, it plus just for you.
Why do that shit? Think of again on the MIC. We not do go representing to this Islam stability. Can you hit me? Can you beat me with the beginning on the sky? So I start to turning back again before I hit you with my right. Then I start and I get in the back. You're still fighting on my back. Just an each one on 187 weapon for this back. Together with the 90s, I call your plan, you just on fighting. Our opponent will be back and by that time's ability.
Nagulog ka ba si Joe ka bumitaw? Nakita-kita ay kinagatan na ako'y lumabas ay kinapatungo. Naligay kinausap ay kay Tulero. Sa Japan na pwede lang mabilis. Makinig ka na lagat ay kay Momendem sa mga kataga na akin nalika. Ikaw ay na mga sadya natin lala. Ang butong hindi nga sa'kin baliwala. Kapos nagiling at nilipang kanta. Ang mga veterano ay napaluhod. Nagaking inutusan lagat sumunod. Nasaka na ba di kita matanaw? Dumating lang ako. Di ka na lumitaw. Tapat mo ako. Higit mo ako. Ngayon mo ipakita ang yabang mo.
Sundalo, papatay, papalaga ka sa di mo na malaman ang bawat susunod na hakdaw. Huwag ka na magabas sa lupa na tigangay na hukay. Kung naan lugar ko sa kapupunta na iwana ka na nandila matalim mo dyan na nadilang kabilugan ng buwan ng asoy na ulo tuluyan na balaw na laso ng isip papatay kami ay kinagati talong ngayon ay humada na kayong tumakbo asumay pabilis di makakaligtas sa aming mga dila na parang sino pa anak ni Judas di marunong rumuspeto magsama-sama laos sa musikero magkabilang panig ay mayayan hindi makakatakas sa tunay na Judas.
Hindi na lumalaga na pang aking binhi. Mag-isip ka ng ilang beses, alamin mo ang sanhi kung bakit mas marami ang naniniwala sa aking kakayahan. Di hamak na mas magaling ako kaysa pinagkatawanan. Hindi ako lumulos, sumabang alaba ko'y tulog. Mararamdaman mo na lang ang ulo ko ay nilulunod ko. Ako si Insane, ano ang maging silbing kulay para sa mga kaaway na gustong mamatay.
Attack, keep it mag-act. Follow me now, I'm ready to attack. Ready to be in, live in attack. And leave this word because I'm mag-act. Motherfucker, murder me, aking on my enemy. 187, civilian is my destiny. This is sick, I'm the one. This isn't time to get ya. Yung may motherfucker nila na mercy. Para now and I will kill ya. I'm soldier, I'm thug, and I'm the illest rapper. Mob stability, Rihanna number one.
You got me now with the rack, you know I'm a rebel and standing tall, we'll give it all. Check it the flow, we'll bring it a hit, you know we'll fall when you walk like rock and drop your albums now, the clock is running out, let's with the microphone, give it now, let's go, we'll rock this sound. You see me, microphone is burning, my tongue to the fall, some pistol, you know that I'm about to rule. 187 now, we're cool, but we're getting higher than track, nobody can break a second, stop it up like shock, we earn and stop, roll, as roll and blow up, flow, do it,
It's my turn now, so you better shut your mouth. You better keep on running because I will fuck you out. I will make a big thing, do you know what I mean? You can fuck me in my brother's name, third floor and Lorcan. I'm unbreakable like Al-Qaeda. I'm here rapping for fame and not for paper. You can call me confused, aka the main man. If you want a game man, come here, I will let you in.
The innocent one, back in the game, holding a mic to maintain the flame. You never notice I'm coming now. This time you better be hearing this as quick as slaves. Get a lesson to this list. 187 monsters banging with a murder kind of twist. Come a struggle, Marco, show me your weapon in this battle. Barrel gamble with all the soldiers waiting for the hustle. It's time, that's a big old game with us. So they want the fucking game with us. Cause steady step by step on us. To the Roma, innocent, hit the rush.
We are the soldiers, yeah, we are the hustlers, yeah, we are the warrior and now I represent my let my place in this display. I got love here, I got no more mercy in my enemy. I take your life away, it will be your worst nightmare. Live my life in hell of ghetto. The word of music and my song is so strong, and my soul is in the lyrics and the rhymes from the heart. And I don't forget my present and know where I start.
Come on, let's ride to the motherfucking side of the killer, real and dangerous collaboration of murderers. Soldier calling for battle, my mind is deep into ocean. To try to teach me my potion, dominate the evil, my mission is break the plan of my enemy with the mob stability, ready to attack. This is the beginning of prophecy, no more chance to bring it down in this game. I'm your killer, booyah, with a double black bang, call me Little Kian. Yeah, meron pang super better but another one human execution. Over the 7 months, so just before we got the war, we're antagonistic guns beyond the mission for eradication. Para may nagkaping ka rin dahil sa realm. When you see me in my whole crew in the street, it's not some trouble. Meron pa kasi ready for battle, cause might be your last day. You know that it is unpredictable. I'm better than that, but I got it a rebel. I'm not immortal, but I'm unstoppable.
Welcome everybody to the Hustlers Gang. We rhyme sick as fuck, but we don't need a fame. Limos motherfuckers, get out the way, get out the way. People must let your throat and throw you on your mama's house door. Then now we say, me like Gotti, yeah, I gotcha. Looking like you like it. This my baby, only JD. In love, I'll be the white of the side.
I'm like no other, I'm a rapper with a bigger but you can suck it like a vacuum, no lick it to the top. Once again, it's your main author, I'm the killer man. AKA you people with the game, it's my name. You know what, better stop talking shit behind my back. Slap you in your face like chopping your, yeah, I'm a killer. Revelation like a million, I'm a nation with a mission. Taliban and
Entering the capital soldiers, I am a panzer. Sit down to chamber, we're ready to a massacre. All of you, damn it, rapper like a fool, feeling real gangster. Remember that lurker in your man is disaster. Anduring beda, shots up, don't answer. Dalawang bersyon, ngunit iisa ang aking misyon. Wag bigyan na pagkakataon, ang mga taon di marunong lumingon. Sa dami ng mga humamon, sabihin nyo kayo minahon. Hindi sa ganitong sitwasyon nyo ako mapapatao. Baba, sinusugatan lalong lumalakas sa aking loob. Patamaan man ng sunod-sunod.
Are you ready for some battle of this motherfucking shit? It's no starting the album named Midnight Street. Oh, I'm the Hell's people, I'm the vocalator. I'm like an alligator, now I lose my behavior. I'm the savior in this new generation game plan. It sounds like a gun, bang, 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 bang. Banging with 187 monsters. The retaliation of the two mighty soldiers. Blasting on your mind. Don't hate, I know you're blind. Define my sign, my rhyme, I'm fine for fun. They call me Superman, yeah, I'm Superman.